When you have the talent, passion, and desire to do something of your own, you have two options. You may keep that drive inside, take up that job which does not look too bad, and simply remain in your comfort zone. Or you can act on that talent, turn your passion into business, and let your dreams shape reality. I am Suman Agarwal, Director of Image Consulting Business Institute, and we offer an opportunity for you to start something of your own by becoming a certified image consultant and soft skills trainer. An opportunity to earn a living doing what you love.
When I decided to start something of my own, I thought I was probably taking a risk. The war between emotion and logic started inside me. I went through it for longer than you can imagine. Then one day, I sat down and asked myself 3 questions. Is what I'm exploring a natural extension of my interest and abilities? Is this something I'm willing to commit myself to? Will this satisfy my passion for making a difference to people's lives? And today, 5 years later, I'm glad that I did not settle for something ordinary. To know what life is worth, you must take a risk once in a while and follow your intuition.
I know how hard it is to figure out what to do when you think of starting something of your own or doing something new. Remember, you're not alone. Everyone who decided to build something of their own went through their share of dilemmas, tough questions, and pushbacks. If you have a dream, protect it. Confidence does not come when you have all the answers. It comes when you're ready to face all the questions. You have the right to choose your life. I'm not telling you it's going to be easy. I'm telling you it's going to be worth it.
I had a lot of questions, anxiety and more questions. I was moving from a secure job in HR in an IT company to starting something on my own. Then started the opinions, judgment, advice of friends and family. All people who were concerned about me. Just that most of them believed that life should be lived in a known comfort zones. New and different is scary. Today, many people, including my family members, use my example to tell others why and how passion should be converted into a profession. I am happy with the different roles I get to play. A mentor, an appearance consultant, a soft skills trainer, a confidence coach, an etiquette specialist. But more than anything else, I am a life transformer.
Well, I will tell you this. Being your own boss is a wonderful feeling, and it gives you the flexibility, financial independence, work-life balance, and an identity. However, it is important to do something which builds on your aptitude, interest, and passion. Image consulting and soft skills training is a field for people with a sense of style, aesthetics, and creativity, along with good communication skills and a strong desire to make a difference in the lives of others by guiding, training, and mentoring them to look, feel, and perform better for greater success in every walk of life.
Being my own boss gave me a freedom that I had only dreamt about. After being a homemaker for several years, I finally decided to give wings to my creativity and passion by becoming an image consultant. I enjoy my financial independence and feel that this is my calling. I love what I do. I earn the respect of family and friends. I am recognized as hotshot image consultant in my friend circle. My husband is proud of me, and my 16-year-old daughter introduces me to her friends as boss lady, and that's a moment for me which no paycheck can compete with.
And for those of you who believe that image consulting is for women, let's break stereotypes, please, once and for all. Professional choices are made based on aptitude and not on gender.
I came in this industry at a time when many believed that image consulting is only for women since it dealt with clothing, grooming, etc. However, I felt from day one that this is just a myth purely based on many image consultants being women, and the reality is that gender doesn't really matter. I am happy that I have busted this myth totally. In fact, I feel that being a male in this field has worked for me, and today I am recognized as one of the most successful image consultants in the country.
You can also become your own boss in 3 steps and successfully start your image consulting and soft skills training practice. Get trained on all aspects of image consulting and soft skills training by subject matter experts on a world-class curriculum. Get certified in accreditation from some of the most credible national and international institutions once you complete your training. Start, market, and grow your consulting and training practice with complete business enablement support from ICBI.
When making my choice, I knew that I had to choose wisely and go to the best. No shortcuts, no compromises. I wanted market credibility, skill mastery, and mentoring support to make a mark. The quality of curriculum, trainers, certification, business training, consulting, and training material play a very large role in creating client delight. I got all that and more. I can't thank ICBI enough for introducing me to the most awesome person I know, and that is myself.
Make an informed decision and ask yourself these questions. What is the cost of not chasing your dreams? What is the cost of not using your potential to its fullest? What is the cost of not having work-life balance? What is the cost of not having financial independence? Every morning, you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them.
When I meet my friends today, I realize how they wish they had my work life. As regards to my family, they love the new me. I love what I do, and the reward of changing people's lives is priceless. It's been 7 years and there's been no looking back ever since. Nothing can be more exciting than meeting new people, helping them with their image-related issues, and finally providing them with solutions that not only make them happy but successful too. I sometimes laugh in my head and I ask myself, am I an image doctor or an image consultant?
Thousands of people from all walks of life have found something meaningful and fulfilling by becoming certified image consultants and soft skills trainers. And they are making a huge difference in the lives of millions. Join this league of professionals today and create a true impact by helping people look, feel, and perform better. And remember, the difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do now.